You know, I'm pretty much in the zone, just doing my own thing. And I take a break for a second and look up. It's like the 4th of July coming right at my face. If I wouldn't have had these on, I would have been missing an eye right now.
Hey, man.
God, he's just an animal with that. They don't care about anybody else as long as they're not getting sparked.
Jackass! Yashid, $70 Challenger, factory sunroof. Give me the code, the alphanumeric code.
I don't know exactly why Mark decides to start quizzing me right now about the Challengers whenever I got 2,000 things to do and he just wants me to stop.
Give me the numeric code.
I don't know the sunroof. I don't know the sunroof. Mark's on some kind of binge right now where I have to know everything about Challengers.
Mark's on Josh about the Challengers because we're getting a new Challenger and Josh doesn't know about it yet.
I don't understand.
It's driving Josh crazy.
70 Challenger, rubber bumpers, front.
Are you asking the VIN?
I'm asking for the alphanumeric option code.
There's no rubber bump on a 70 Challenger, okay?
It was all steel.
It's only available in 71.
Oh, okay. This is like one-on-one time that we've never had. Can I leave a shoe print?
No.
Can I leave a
Can I
handprint?
leave a bruise on your forehead?
Can I leave a handprint on your face?
Something's gonna fall here. Oh my God, you're animals.
Hang on, Darren.
Come on.
What's the problem there,
I bought
Nancy?
you guys nice gloves. I bought you nice gloves. I bought you a lot of nice stuff. I bought you a lot of good stuff, man.
Let's
What the hell's the matter with you?
Here, watch.
Well,
Why
you
are
guys
you
are all
cursing?
acting like you're gonna
Here.
get hurt moving a little
Here,
old piece of
we're gonna-
metal.
we're
I
gonna
bought you
throw
all
it.
the protect. If you're looking for a parts
2,
replacement,
3.
that's coming out of somebody's check.
Cool.
I don't mind that the guys like to have fun and play grab ass, but throwing a piece of metal inside of a shop's a really stupid idea. Hitting my brand new toolbox is even a stupider idea, and it's gonna get their faces kicked inside out.
You just hit my
now?
toolbox.
It matches the other side.
Get your wallet out. Hey, put it in the safe pile and don't throw it.
You got it, boss.
So I think today was actually pretty productive. In fact, we got the whole back half of the car off, so that's a pretty good motion.
Mark left me alone. I just put my Mark muffs on, and so I couldn't hear him and just did what I needed to do. I'm always happy when we get something done.
The basic structure of the unibody is still intact. We'll have some frame rail replacement, quarter panels, outer wheel houses, but a good portion of this car is going to be the original sheet metal. We're just going to have to take it off so we can access it, repair it, put it back together.
I'm actually more hopeful. Darren just seems extremely pessimistic about the whole entire thing.
Oh, I don't think it's too late to call 800 your scrap. You can just have them come pick up the whole thing right now before we put any more time and money into it.
I just hate him.